Pondicherry's cafe culture offers something for every palate. Whether you are craving French pastries, authentic pizzas, or creamy gelato, these cafes give you the perfect experience. Each place is unique, not just in its menu, but in its ambience it offers. From rustic French charm to modern elegance. So next time you're in Pondicherry, make sure to visit these delightful spots in French Colony. Our first stop is Rue Suffren, a charming cafe located in the heart of Pondicherry. The French-style architecture with rustic wooden shutters gives it an old-world charm, and the cozy ambience makes it the perfect place to unwind. Here we tried their delicious lasagna layered with rich creamy bechamel sauce and hearty meat, its comfort food at its finest. And their poisson, a perfectly cooked fish dish seasoned with a subtle blend of French spices. But we were expecting more from this place. Let's head to the next one. Next up is Baker Street, a delightful bakery and cafe that transports you straight to France with its aromatic baked items and warm, inviting atmosphere. If you have a sweet tooth, you are in for a treat. We tried their signature macaroons, which were crisp on the outside and perfectly soft inside, bursting with flavor. A must-try for any sweet lover. Moving on to something cool and refreshing, we stopped by the Gelato Factory, where they specialize in a variety of gelato flavors. The vibrant and modern setting makes it an exciting stop for anyone craving something sweet. So we learned that gelatos are very different from ice creams. Also, they claim their gelato to be all natural, made with fruit from Auroville farms. Our next stop, Levia, offers a truly authentic French dining experience. Located in a quiet part of the town, it has a relaxed, homely vibe that makes you feel like you have stepped into a hidden gem. We tried their squid, tender and perfectly grilled. The chicken was cooked to perfection, juicy and aromatic, paired with a rich, flavorful sauce. And the pizza, thin crust topped with fresh ingredients, absolutely delicious. Levia is perfect for anyone craving traditional French fare with a twist. Next, we head to Villa Kish, a cafe with a warm, contemporary ambience. The modern decor and tranquil outdoor seating with lush greenery provides the perfect setting to enjoy a leisurely meal, and the view is superb with the church and the sea both visible from its outdoor seating. It was midday, so we chose the cooler AC room to enjoy our meal, but I bet evenings or mornings would be perfect to sit outdoors. We tried their pesto pasta with fresh basil and creamy sauce. Last but not the least, we made our way to Bread and Chocolate, a cafe known for its delightful range of baked goods and decadent desserts. We indulged in their chocolate croissant, which had the perfect balance of flaky, buttery layers and rich, melty chocolate inside. And their mushroom quiche, the creamy filling combined with earthy mushrooms, made it a savory delight. It's the perfect place for breakfast or a sweet afternoon snack. Like, share and subscribe for more such amazing stories. Until next time, keep your voices vibrant and your lives back full of memories. Bye.